Someone powder coated his wheels without my permission. Why is his wheels black? Oh wait, we did it. It has a dead battery, it needs an oil change, it needs a service. Clickbait. Oh no, turn back off.
Hello, Ryan?
Yeah.
Yes, sir. Your car is ready.
All right, guys, welcome back to our Monday video. Unfortunately, we skipped our Thursday video. We were gonna try to get something out on Friday, but we said, you know, let's just do a big one on Monday. Quick recap, we had a hell of a week, super busy, had a small event that we had to do at night, one of the nights for a rally. We've been crazy busy. Unfortunately, sometimes, you know, business gets in the way of the YouTube video. The YouTube video, we're doing it for fun, for you guys to watch. The business portion is still very real, so we have to make sure all the cars, everything we do is still done appropriately, right? Timing, everything has to be right. So sometimes we have this little complication. Also, Joe Vids, our YouTube media guy, had jury duty. In California, jury duty is something you can't really get out of. It's tough. So unfortunately, he had to go do jury duty for a few days. He got paid 15 bucks, which is the legal limit for jury duty, I guess. So that also kind of put us behind a little bit, but we're working hard to get you this video. Lots of stuff in here. Moses also got sick, and then he transferred that sickness to me. So I'm also not 100% right now, unfortunately, but we're still doing what we're doing. That's how usually I get sick. He gets sick from, I don't know what he does, and then I get it. So
Theraflu helps. It's the best thing you can use.
Theraflu's not paying us for that. So
Please stop saying brands.
yeah.
Stop saying brands.
So yeah, we're back, guys. So enjoy. All right, guys, we got this crazy 488 in progress right here. This is that Liberty Walk 488 we showed you guys on previous episodes. Saw it on Shami's channel. Right now we have the wide body Liberty Walk flares off, so it looks a little funky because these are all cut up. As you guys know, this car, we have to cut them up for the wide body. But currently you're gonna see a lot of stuff going on. Yellow, blue, white. We're gonna be doing a tricolor themed wrap on this. Not even close to being finished yet, so don't judge it right now. You guys are gonna see the end results. It's gonna look amazing. This is going on part of a rally to Vegas, so we're rushing it, getting it done. A lot of graphics are gonna go on top of this as well as putting the car back together with the flares and everything. So stay tuned. This thing is gonna look really, really cool. This 720 is gonna have a two-tone look to it. As you could already see, the quarter panel is this gloss metallic black, and the front of the car, the door, is the factory color. So we're gonna actually leave it like this, but we're gonna be adding more things to it, more colors to it. The wheels are gonna be colorful. This thing is gonna look really, really crazy. It's gonna be very subjective. We're gonna get a lot of fans, we're gonna get a lot of hate, but you know, it's what it's all about. The customer wants to make it look really crazy and personalized, so that's what we're gonna do. So stay tuned and check out the 720. This is heavier, why?
Must be the carbon fiber.
It's the orange.
friends from DC. Nice guys. They came out here to see RDBLA, visit us. We're very, very fortunate that we have good people like this and fans like this. They bought merch. Thank you guys. Appreciate you guys. Yeah.
Thanks for having us.
Cool, you guys.
Moses, you're an idiot.
We got this Aventador SV Roadster right here. Check out this crazy muffler. Cat delete pipes plus this valved insanity of a muffler. This is full custom. This thing's like a work of art. Looks amazing. Weighs so much less than the factory exhaust. The tips are sandblasted right now. Once you start heat cycling this thing, it's gonna turn into a nice metal color. It's gonna look really good. So we're gonna go ahead and start it right now. It's gonna be cold start and let it warm up a little bit so we could let you guys hear it.
Look at the alarm on the tow truck. Sorry.
All right, we're standing in front of this crazy Rolls-Royce Dawn. This thing, about 1 year ago, we installed a wall kit, which you see how drastically that changes this car. We also did a very, very metallic white wrap on it. It also has 24-inch RDB wheels. It has the red top, which is really cool. Kind of goes with the theme. The real reason why it's here is unfortunately the customer hit something really hard on the highway going fast and blew out the air shocks. We're gonna have to change the air shocks, the air pump, a number of things to get this thing working the right way again. This is with all the air out of the shock right now. That's why it's so slammed. It's not drivable like this, unfortunately, and it does not go up because it's leaking air. These suspensions have a leveling system on there, so if one side goes down, the other side's gonna go down. So that's what we have here.
Nice.
Come on, man. We have to change the battery.
Change the battery like 4 times on this.
Crazy day today. We're having that sticker event for the Limitless PCNY rally. This car is going to the Las Vegas Convention Center right now. Mr. Olympia is happening this weekend. So this is gonna be front and center in the Limitless booth. This booth is actually going to have Anderson Silva in it, and it's also gonna have George St. Pierre. So crazy stuff. This car is gonna be there. 48 Liberty Walk with this crazy white, blue, yellow racing design on there. Has all the logos on there for the event, so ready to go. We're gonna head back to the shop, do some more stickering, some more exotic cars. But yeah, this 488 looks crazy and it's on its way to Vegas. All right, we're out here after hours at our RDB Sunset location. I'm holding the mic because we got a DJ in the back. It's pretty loud out here. But yeah, we got a lot of exotic cars. We got a 458, 488, McLaren's Corvette, Rolls Royce, Phantom Drophead Nighthawk, Aventador SV Roadster, another Aventador, another 488 Roadster. There's a lot of cars. A lot of cars came, left. We're finishing up all the stickering for this little rally that the guys are doing tomorrow. We had a small part in it. Quick little rally, but they're gonna go to Vegas tomorrow, so we're getting ready and finishing up all the cars right now. So.